They've been called the Benjamin Franklin of balls, the Nikola Tesla of testicles, the Thomas Edison of taint tech. And now Manscaped has done it again with their latest innovation, the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra. With upgraded performance features, this 5th generation trimmer is on the cutting edge of cutting pubes. Now let's get down to business. No one knows your business like you do. So the Lawn Mower 5.0 includes 2 interchangeable skin-safe blade heads, a 1.4mm static comb, and additional comb attachments. Total, there are 7 possible length settings, plus the foil shaver for a precise shave your barber would be proud of, if your barber saw your balls. To attach a comb, slide it over the front of your trimmer with the notches sliding into the grooves. For adjustable combs, adjust the length by moving the notches up or down. To remove each blade head, push the bottom of the blade head with your thumb in the direction of the arrow. And to install each blade, insert it blade side up into the slot at the top of the trimmer. Then press back until it snaps into place. The Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra has a one-touch start, stop, and an easy-to-use multi-function button. Quick press the multi-function button to toggle between multiple LED light settings that are designed to be effective on different skin tones and help illuminate where you're mowing. And if you're on the go, you can press and hold your device for 3 seconds. This will set travel lock so TSA doesn't bat an eye at the buzz in your bag. This tool was expertly engineered for your unmentionables, so feel free to get close with yourself. Keep the flat side of your trimmer pressed flush against your skin and glide gently with your body for total control. When you're shaving, try to avoid raking. Move the blade in the opposite direction of growth for a closer shave. Then, let the lawnmower do all the work. Whether you're shaving your chest, underarms, legs, or balls, slowly glide until you're satisfied. For a more effortless trim, use the trimmer blade while dry to cut down any length. With the thicket cleared, use the foil blade dry or with shaving cream for a smooth finish. To give your groin a skin-close shave, hold the skin taut and gently glide the skin-safe foil blade up and down. With every stroke, the bidirectional trimmer lifts and trims any long hairs left behind, while the foil brings the shave down to the skin. After you've dosed the dudes, apply a dime-sized amount of crop soother on clean, dry skin. The aftershave lotion helps put both your mind and balls at ease, offering relief from irritation immediately after shaving. To clean the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra, turn off the trimmer, pull off the comb, and pop off the trimmer or foil blade head. This waterproof trimmer doesn't mind getting a little wet, so with everything detached, simply rinse each piece under the faucet until all the hair is gone. When you're done, shake off the excess water and lay them out to air dry. Once dry, plug into the universal USB-C port and set your future self up for a full charge with up to 60 minutes of runtime. When charging, the LED indicator will blink and the meter will start to light up. A completely solid light indicates a full charge. When using the included USB-C charger, it will take about 90 minutes to get a full charge. When fully charged, the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra has up to 60 minutes of runtime. If you run out of juice early, your trimmer only needs a 10-minute charge to get you through a quick shave. The Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra can also be placed on a compatible wireless charging pad for a super convenient full charge in about 3 hours. Now that you have the process down, remember, confidence comes from within. The Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra. Groom confidently with the Lawn Mower 5.0 Ultra.